Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking hardware and app prerequisites. Make sure your phone supports NFC and Fampay is installed. Next, you complete KYC and add a contactless or virtual card inside Fampay because the app must hold a payment credential to tap. Once done, enable NFC in settings, and when asked, choose Fampay as the default tap-to-pay application. This lets the phone route transactions through Fampay automatically during a wallet tap. You now focus on the tap flow and security checks. With Fampay open, unlock your phone and present the back near the terminal for about 1 to 2 seconds. Firm contact is not required. Make sure your phone case isn't blocking NFC. Thin cases work best. If Fampay demands authentication, complete the PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock step. This step protects your card token and prevents unauthorized taps, so don't skip it even for small amounts. You finish by confirming the payment and handling common failures. After the tap, check for green check on screen or a terminal approval tone. That's your signal to remove the phone. If the tap fails, try again within 5 seconds, toggle NFC off and on, or remove a thick case. These quick actions fix most issues. If problems persist, note the transaction ID and contact Fampay support so they can check token status and server-side authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.